Hi, my name is Gabriella Stockton. I'm from San Antonio, Texas, and I'm a student here at Providence. The biggest thing was I was looking for a classical school that was classical, a Christian school that was Christian, and Providence was all of that. There's a lot of schools that have a lot of claims, and they just don't live up to that. It's very wishy-washy, and Providence seemed like kind of the real deal. And I was interested in their Great Books program, their Witherspoon program here, and I just wanted to go deeper. I wanted to have good conversations. So my mom and I were like, well, let's go visit. So we flew out here, and it was just a beautiful experience. It was so rich. Everybody was so genuine. I felt automatically at home. Being from Texas, so far from family, I don't have anyone out here. So it was definitely, if I was going to go to school outside of state, it needed to be something familial. And that was exactly what I found here. Everybody was really great. Providence is one of the only places that I've ever felt that I actually belonged. I've looked at so many schools, I really have, and this was really the only option for me because it was the only school that believed what I believed, was so genuine, so transparent, and cared so much about its students and academics and really pointing academics to the Lord. It's the only place that I've ever felt like, oh wow, like this is where I can make a difference. This is where I can kind of have another family. I've always heard, oh, college is the place where that's going to be the best moments of your life and all these things. I'm like, yeah, sure. But it really has been some of the best moments of my life here. And I've made friendships that will last me a lifetime. And I can say that so firmly because they're built on the Lord. The Lord is, steadfast. Providence matters so much. There's nothing else like it. There's nothing else like it. I'm forming my core beliefs. I'm forming my platform. And I did not want to go to a college that would lead me astray. But all the people here at Providence are very God-led, and they readily meditate on His Word. It has not been a mistake at all, and we're all very happy about, this decision to come here.